Got a Bryant 1999 to 598 AN 048-D R22 system from 1999. Using the TXV inside. It doesn't have the required subcooling. I believe last time I was out here, it's running about 11 is what she was doing. So just here checking the charge. It's a two-stage system. So whenever you're checking the refrigerant charge, you want to make sure it's running in second stage. And that's what that LED is telling you right there. Long pause, 2 flashes means second stage. So we're running in high stage. Been running for about probably 15 or 20 minutes now. And condenser coil is a little dirty. Running a little high head pressure. Not too crazy. It's in the mid-80s. But running about 13 degrees of subcooling right now, 13 and a half. So it doesn't look too bad. I'll let it run for a little while longer. Also, you can see there's a whole lot of leaves and debris. So they have this tree that's strategically placed right in front of this unit. Probably wasn't a problem when it was a little sapling, but now it's that's a pretty big tree. So all the leaves and everything from the tree will fall in there. So we'll go ahead and clean those out and clean up all the leaves and mess down there. There's quite a bit of stuff piling up, so I want to make sure we get that cleaned out so this thing drains properly. But on this unit, you want to make sure when you're checking these style Bryant units, where it's got this large panel on the side, that you cover this access hole right here, because the condenser coil is only a 3-sided coil. So when you've had these doors off, it'll bypass the coil. All your air will go in there. It's the easiest path for the air to take through the unit, and that'll cause you to run really high head pressure, and your numbers will be all screwed up. So they make this electrical door. It's got the little hooks so it can fall down there, but as you can see, it doesn't cover the whole thing. So I just like to prop that door up there, or even just put that door on there with maybe one screw, just covering the whole thing. But yeah, everything's looking pretty decent. Not spectacular or anything, but pretty good. So check some amp draws, make sure the compressor's doing what you should be doing. Outdoor fan, all that good stuff. And you might be able to see on the board that black wire. It says ODF. It's your outdoor fan. Hopefully you can hear me because the fan's blasting away. 1.0. And if you look at the data tag, 1.1. So that's still within range. I mean, you may have to keep an eye on that. I haven't checked the capacitor yet either. I came around, it was running, so I popped the gauges on it since it had been running for a little while. But we'll check that capacitor, which is pretty new. And let's see, we'll check the compressor. We'll say 12.0, 12.1, somewhere in there. And our run load is 23.6, so that's well within range, and that's in high stage. So that's looking good. We'll check that run capacitor and clean some brush out of the bottom of this unit. Clean this condenser coil and just double check my numbers, make sure they're where they should be, and we'll be good to go.